Hello everyone. In our 2-minute revision lesson today, we shall be discussing the topic observations from research methods. An observation is a research method where psychologists watch and record behavior. The aim is to understand how people or animals act, often in real-life settings. There are two main types. 1. Naturalistic observation. This takes place in the person's natural environment, like a classroom or home. The researcher does not interfere, just observes. 2. Controlled observation. This happens in a more structured environment, like a lab, where the researcher can control some variables. Observations can also be overt, where participants know they're being observed; covert, where they do not know, often to avoid behavior changes. Another important difference is participant observation. The researcher joins in with the group's activities. Non-participant observation. The researcher watches from a distance, without becoming involved. We also classify observations as structured, where specific behaviors are recorded using a checklist; unstructured, where all behaviors are written down without a set plan. Let's talk about the strengths. Observations allow us to see real behavior as it happens. They are useful when people can't explain their actions, or might give biased answers in interviews. And the weaknesses. In overt observations, people may change their behavior because they know they're being watched. This is called demand characteristics. In natural settings, control over variables is low, so it's harder to find cause and effect. Observers might be biased in what they choose to notice and record. In summary, observations help us understand behavior in action, especially in real-life situations, but we must be careful about bias and lack of control. Dear students, remember the resource is always here for a quick, easy revision whenever you need a boost. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.